Look how fun this little sign is. It says you can't buy happiness, but you can buy whiskey, and that's kind of the same thing. I thought it would be so cute in our bar downstairs. We have a couple different like vintage looking bar signs, and I just love like a funny little silly one like this. It is the perfect size. It's not too big, not too small. It's about just under 8 inches wide, and then I want to say just under 12 inches tall. So that way you can put a couple different signs out there. The brand actually sent it to me to test out, and I figured it would be perfect for a bar. Also would be great for like a garage or a little man cave or something like that. It looks distressed and vintage, but it's not. It's like brand new, obviously. It is very lightweight. This is what the back looks like, but very lightweight. You can use nail holes. It has 4, one on each corner, or you could even just like stand it up if you have a bar area, or use an adhesive on the backing. Since it is so lightweight, it would not take much adhesive at all. So cute, and love the little saying,